Hey everyone, I am Nate, president of the Lehigh Valley Rose Society, and I am here today in the Hershey Rose Garden. Today is the Penn Jersey District Rose Show. This garden was originally planted in 1937. There are about 3,500 roses here, representing 175 varieties. It's truly stunning. So just a quick walkthrough of the rose garden. A fair amount of these roses here are taller than me. So they have, as I said, around 175 varieties. It seems like for the most part, they have these individual rectangular beds and probably about 20 of each variety in these beds, which really gives it quite a big impact. Yesterday I was here a little early and there was a wedding in the garden, so I didn't get a chance to look around. This rose here is ebb tide. I have this in my own garden. This rose here is Livin' Easy. Here we have a lady in red climber. Over here, this is one of the roses that's taller than me. Pond here. Here's Drop Dead Red. Gorgeous rose there. This is Polynesian Punch. Here we have Wild Blue Yonder. This will be featured in the Upper Saucon Rose Garden. Gorgeous color. Here we have Easy Does It. Look at that. Beautiful. Carefree Spirit. Good look there. That looks like Sexy Rexy to me. We sold that at our potted rose sale in the spring. Looks gorgeous. Brooklyn Botanic Garden actually ordered 2 of them from us, which was kind of neat. Happy Go Lucky. This is another one that will be in the Upper Saucon Rose Garden. Really pretty yellow here. There's a bee. It's a good sign. Keeps going uphill. Here's Friendship. That is gorgeous. Beautiful pink hybrid tea. Here's another one. Oh, another bee over here. Burgundy iceberg. I personally have 3 of these in my front yard. You can see the white on the underside of the petals there. Ah. So this is Princess de Monaco. Beautiful pink hybrid tea. Over here, of course, we have Julia Child. Looks gorgeous, as usual. This is another one that we sold at our potted rose sale this year. Very popular. Here is Over the Moon. Wish you could smell these roses through the video. Over here we have Dark Night. Neat color. Oh, they've just turned the pond on. Look, see, you can see how uphill it is from here. Earlier, I was down there on the other side of the pond. This is Golden Showers. They have that planted next to Julia Child and Over the Moon. Just a whole bed of like apricot to yellow. So again, this is Julia Child right here. This is Ketchup and Mustard. This is a fairly popular one. It has red and yellow. Over here we have Passionate Kisses. This is a Floribunda. Here in Pennsylvania, we usually have a nice flush of roses this time of year in September. Some more hybrid teas. Paradise. Let's see that. Get that. Lovely. So the rose show is in that building over there, the wing on the left side, and then that tent is where they are doing all of the prep work to get their roses ready to show. Now to the other side, we'll work our way back around. Here we have solitude. Here, I'll try and get a close-up of this. Very pretty. Here's impatient. Look at that. And what do we have over here? White licorice. So, it's kind of pretty. All right, working our way back around. So Hershey Gardens, it's my understanding that this is the first year we are doing a district rose show here, and they would like to have us back every year, which is awesome. They're letting us use this space for free. They're just asking that visitors to the garden be allowed to see the rose show and then have rosarians here in the garden to answer any visitor questions about rose care. So, pretty neat. That is beautiful. All right, over here, this is catching my eye. Beautiful red, very vibrant. Quite tall too. This one's a little bit past my head. So this rose, in a lot of rose gardens that have like a veterans bed, they will feature Pope John Paul II, which is a very gorgeous white rose, as well as this red rose here is Veterans Honor. So a lot of the times for the veterans beds, they'll do like a red, white, and blue theme. So they use that red rose, they use the white rose, and then they'll use, you know, blue perennials in there. Over here we have Claire Austin. This will be featured heavily in the Upper Saucon Rose Garden. This will be planted all along the fence line on one side of the garden. Very pretty white rose from David Austin. Here is Memorial Day. And then over here, we have Europena. Gorgeous red floribunda. Look at the shape. Beautiful. This is Dream Come True. Beautiful pink grandiflora. And then we are basically back where we started. So truly a gorgeous garden. And for all of my Lehigh Valley friends, this took about an hour and 10 minutes to get to from the Lehigh Valley. So definitely worth the trip to come and check this garden out.